General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
Alright, so today was a half day. This week is pretty much done. Let's go. Thursday is Thanksgiving. Took this off. And here, we didn't trade here either. Well, it's half day of price. Here. I just want to see if it, okay, boom. Yeah, because the only thing that really did happen though was that this expansion on silver, which is massive. Silver is 56 now. And we have an expansion on, okay, we haven't moved here. We're still stuck here. This is Thanksgiving. Nothing happened here. So let me get these deliveries. Okay. So Wednesday we took previous week high Thursday is basically a time distortion day, and Friday trading was halted right here. The servers at CME got hot, so no data here, which is interesting to see. What happened during that halt? Did we go down? Did we rebalance? Did we take this low? You know, it's interesting. Anyway, that's what happened here. Interesting. I think a lot of the people who usually up for London was like, "What is going on?" But it is what it is. They need to upgrade their server rooms. Um, Good day. Of CME halt between Asia and New York. Put close bullish on this short holiday week. Let's go here. So we came to this inefficiency. Look like we filled it too. Yeah, we didn't completely fill it, but we filled it a pretty decent amount. It's gonna be weird with that hard gap. I don't know. Maybe somebody will come out with some theories, some conspiracy theories about that. Let's see. Unsuspected. We're gonna see next week. This week's data and price. It seems to just be a rebalance. All the data's really been good. It's been just the drama that's been dropping the market. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Nice little week though. Took out this down candle high, down candle low. I think we took care of a lot of business. Like, man, we're low resistance liquidity run to this high now. We got relative equal highs here. Interesting. Here's our last stop hunt here. So our last fair swing is here. Mm-hmm. Let's see. taking that stop hunt is bullish. Us reacting here and selling is retracing. But we don't have to come back down here. We really don't. We can just go higher, which would be cool too. We can bring out the projection fibs and start putting the things on the wicks. We know what to do. Pretty bullish week for no real news and scraps of economic data. I figured that silver was gonna move too, just because of the holiday. And boy, it moved, but I ain't traded. I won't give a statement. I was thinking holiday, relax. It even moved a bit on Thursday as well. Asia did the thing. Asia did the thing this time. Data didn't get halted because it's not CME. So, based on this Asia in London, it don't seem like we missed that much before New York. So we might have missed that run up. That gap is probably what happened when the data was down for CME on NASDAQ, and then when it opened back up, it probably around this time, that gap, around that 7 o'clock, the data came back in. So data came in here. So we really didn't miss anything on NASDAQ. This is Wednesday. We closed above that Thursday. What's this? Continuation. You could have bought this in the day. I don't really see nothing to buy here. You would have had to already been there. Gave a wide range time distortion. Notice the open and close is about the same price. And then Friday, carry expansion. Crazy 1 hour chart. Explosive. This is giving risk off vibes. So maybe people are starting scared of the AI quote unquote bubble. Yeah, because somebody's scared of something. That's not normal. And Christmas, though, is that rally. This is just by Christmas rally. This was the buy. Beautiful chart. Crazy. So I didn't see that coming on Friday. No, there's gonna be some moves everywhere. You just gotta really be looking for them. Shout out to whoever got that. Somebody cashed out. Wonder what time that market closed. All day. This ain't do nothing. Open closed around the same price. Closed here. This was where we at now. This market is not moving. Friday closing price is the same as Thursday's open price. Let's go here. So we do get RTO, a tacky RTO, but return to fair value vibes. It's actually the RTO we needed because we had engineer liquidity. It should leave now, technically. Order block, engineer low. This is deep too. It's a deep retracement. Probably seems just to be holding. I like the expansion now, but we need to break and close above highs. We need to get in rush. And the dollar, I know the dollar dropping now, so it needs to move. See, doji. Technically, we need this. It's way low. Mm-hmm. narrative myself, man. Silver is nice. Holidays. Man, something could just be seasonal and not a reflection of risk off sentiment. There is no tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's Saturday. The week review. Cool. All right, that's that on that. Y'all have a good day. Peace.